Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to create custom stickers on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to create a custom sticker or create custom stickers on your iPhone is go ahead and open the Photos app. Locate the photo you want to use in creating custom stickers. So in this case, I want to create a custom stickers or custom sticker with this particular photo. Go ahead, press and hold the photo and then leave it. You should see the menu pops that says copy, add sticker, share, and like that. So go ahead and click on add sticker. Then hang on, you should spot that says this particular photo is now added to your sticker. You can add effect to the sticker by using outline, comic, puff, or chime in. So just go ahead and select the effect. And after that, click on the check mark. Now to use the stickers you just created, go ahead and open any messaging app and then click on the plus button on your messages, click on stickers, hang on for this to reveal your stickers, then come to where you have your stickers like this. Go ahead and click on the sticker, then click on send. You see that? So that is exactly how to create custom stickers in iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.